Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the introduction to deep learning with Keras and TensorFlow. Artificial neural network is an integrated part of the deep learning. You cannot imagine deep learning without the artificial neural network. So before learning the deep learning, actually we need to learn what is the artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is a supervised learning system built for large number of the simple element. And these are called as the neuron, or it is also called as the perceptron. Each neuron can make a simple decision and feeds those decisions to the other neurons. You can think this something where multiple neurons are connected to each other. Or you can say that these neurons are connected something like this. So this is just a single neuron here in biological term, and as this line read here, this can make simple decision. So these neurons can make something like this, a simple decision. Neuron can make a simple decision, a value assignment, something like this, and something like this where AND operation is performed, and something like this where OR operation is performed and where NOT operation is performed. So all these simple operation can be done with the neuron there. But if you make here a multi-layer neuron, then you can perform XOR operation as well. You can say that this artificial neural network is machine learning algorithm. It is inspired by biological neuron. Artificial neural network is a collection of the connected units, or you can say that it is the collection of the connected neuron. Like in our brain system or in nervous system, these neurons are connected there, and in human brain there are billions of the neurons which is running at the same time and firing electrochemical signals to deliver these signals in each and every part of our body and in the mind. An artificial neurons that receives a signal something like this, you can say that these are the input. These signals are processed here, and before the processing these signals are multiplied by some weight, and thereafter all these are actually summed together. Thereafter another layer of the bias is added there, and then at the last stage activation function is applied there, and then the final output is calculated there. So moreover you can say that the artificial neural network is built using these kind of the simple neuron techniques. So this you can treat as one unit of the neuron, and when you make a collection of the neuron, then you make there a deep neural network, which we will be learning in coming lessons. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.